Who can tell me what a round is? In your book, you've got this thing called a round. But what is it? Okay, so if you're saying it's, so you're playing the first part and then you're playing the second part, but then how is that different from a duet or first ending, second ending? Uh-huh. Somebody else? It does have something to do with timing, yes. Yeah, you're close. Okay, so you've got little numbers on top of your music, right? So here's how it works. Everybody plays everything, but they just play it at different times. And it works. So you have number one, group one, okay? So let's say like group one was all of the bass xylophones. And they start at the beginning and they play all the way through to the end. Okay? So they play the whole thing. But something happens when they get to this point here. Okay? What's happening in the music at that point? Yeah, there's a 2. So group 2 starts. Where does group 2 start? Here? No. Remember how I said everybody plays the whole piece? Well, if group 2 started here, would they be playing the whole piece? No. So the group 2 actually starts at the beginning. And they play all the way through to the end. But they've just started later. But then you've got a third group. So look at this. So when group 1 gets to here, group 2 is starting, right? Group 3 starts when group 1 gets to here. Where is group 2 at that point? No, they're not at the beginning because they've already started playing. Remember, they started playing here. Yeah, so they are here. So you have group 3, and they start at the beginning, and they play all the way through. Okay, so basically, everybody plays the whole thing. Everybody starts at the beginning. Everybody stops at the end. You're just starting at different times. So if we did bass xylophones were group 1, and they play all the way through, and when bass xylophones got to the number 2, alto xylophones are going to be group 2, and they're going to start at the very beginning. They're going to play the whole thing. Don't skip over any parts. And when group 1 gets to the 3, then the sopranos, you're going to be group 3, and you start at the beginning. Do you play the whole thing? Absolutely you do. Okay, thumbs up if you understand what a round is. Thumbs down if you're like, whoa, Miss Mandy, you're way off. I'm on a different planet from you. Okay, and I've got a few sideways thumbs, so we need to do a little bit more on this. We can do that. Do you have a specific question? Okay, we'll just practice it. All right.